Hello, everybody. This is Stephanie with Be the Boss, Be Well and SJP Health and Wellness. I am a certified master health coach. My background is in neuroscience, psychobiology, and biochemistry, and I only lead with that to share with you my response to the new dietary guidelines for Americans and just to give you a little background about why I'm commenting on it at all. And today, what I'm going to tell you is I am not giving a full response today for a very good reason. Um, I have been seeing a lot of reactions online, and I am not going to be a reactionary responder. What I'd like to do is what I always do is put on my scientific hat, my lab coat, the lenses through which I see the world, and I am going to thoughtfully sit down and give time to go through the brand new 90-page report, comparing it to the prior 164-page report. And again, that takes time. What you're seeing now are knee-jerk reactions, whether they're people who are praising the entire thing for perfection to people who are saying that they aren't. I literally seen people say that they aren't going to follow a document that was designed by some anti-vaxxer carnivore GLP-1 hater, which of course he had to sign it because that's his job in the government. He isn't the writer. And of course, the guidelines were written by a committee of people who used last year's report from a prior administration, and they don't deviate from that heavily. That's important to understand. But aside from that, I'm seeing a lot of emotional reactions, right? I'm seeing a lot of misunderstanding. I'm seeing a lot of people looking at a graphic and thinking, oh my gosh, they're going to give everybody heart disease. What's going on here? So this isn't the case. And in fact, I'm too emotional to talk about this right now because I am so saddened and a little frustrated by these knee-jerk reactions even from other health coaches. Now, I could go and I could give you all of this wonderful knowledge and opinions right away, but what I'd like to do is thoughtfully go through the documents and then I am going to, on Monday in my newsletter, put together a series of thoughts. So, what I'm going to invite you to do is give me all of your questions. What are you concerned about? What are you worried about? What did you see? Do you know anything about it? What do you want to know? These are things that I would like to communicate in my newsletter. If you're not already in my newsletter, then wherever I'm posting this, somewhere in the comments, there's going to be a link, or in the description, there's going to be a link to my newsletter. Feel free to sign up. Feel free to unsubscribe as soon as you get that if you don't like it. It's fine. Okay. However, um, I do want to give you the best service that I always do. One thing that I can say right now is that these are dietary guidelines that are blanket. And if you do read through, I've read enough to see that they are recommending that all of this is based on the needs of the individual. And as you know, in my practice and with my clients, everything is individualized. There is no blanket solution for anybody, no matter what. So how much are these going to affect your life? Well, we'll see. It might give a lot of people a lot more opportunity and an understanding that, hey, there is some science out there that has been being ignored for years. And that is some of what we're seeing, right? But again, I just wanted to put this out there for you. I wanted to let you know that I'm on it. I'm not ignoring it. You might be saying, well, Stephanie's going to put something out here soon about this because everybody else is. And for all of those out there who have already responded with thoughtfulness and for pointing out inconsistencies and whatnot, and maybe because that is their primary job and they have a lot of time to do that already, or maybe they got advance notice. I am just a plebe, right? So I did not get any kind of special advanced insider's information. I got this the same time everybody else did. That was yesterday. And so I am going to look through the whole entire thing and I am going to let you know why they're saying what they're saying, what parts of it might be misleading, what part of it might be a little confusing and what it's really driving toward. And I am very happy to do this for you. Again, my newsletter link, if you want to get it on Monday when I send it out, I'll also be doing a series of posts and lives in my Facebook group, Be the Boss, Be Well. Uh, for those in my community there, you feel free to join that as well. No matter what, I've got you. I always have you, and I'm always ready to sift the fact from the fiction at any given moment and make sure that you are completely and utterly supported in your health and your wellness goals. So, nutrition, mind you, is only one pillar of your health, right? So that's also something to keep in mind. It's very important, it's very foundational, but it isn't the only thing that is a factor in your ideal health. So until I see you Monday in my newsletter or sometime next week during my lives, I'm signing off. I've uh, inviting your comments and your questions.